settle. I said to the National Assembly. I said to the okay, you have me say, what could you anyone? Why we look at it was settled. I don't know up here, I don't know one. However, you only miss a could be around here, no matter what to say. My name is Honorable Pius Alile. I don't know up here 52 years ago. I don't know why. You want to you why now? Ni tamuwa eligure ni be tell a little bit of my history. Runda always keke mi wa even ya wa. Only say na bere. And even tell ni be gwalo. And ekeni only you. Only you me right now. Even come wa 52 years ago abia. And now ye primary school at Oluwa primary school. Ina yo Oluwa primary school ere wana. 6 years ago, I give a Kebani Binary Adolo College. You let the Owemaya Adolo College from Uselu. Manama Yamimotola, Mamala Bossy Day Adolo College. Adolo College Rubo is now known as Edo Boys High School. 5 years ago, he give finish Wani NRA University of Benin. And now a course of quality, a diploma in social work, DSW. He give a warning for me, not like law, it's not like direct entry law, because he can't pass is a diploma in social work. And I like direct entry, my 100 level. And not because I say 500 level, he's a 500 level. I can not to tell I'm an army, on a money area weapon, in a school. Maybe it's a weapon, maybe we know, maybe most say, and I will only Mujana, and yeah, say 500 level, how? I only want. So he give a Sodoni and I pick up another degree program. And I attended a school at Malmö University in Sweden. Malmö is the third largest city in Sweden. So I attended Malmö University and I will graduate with BSc in social sciences. And I will bow and I away in the exchange program, the Lathrop University in Melbourne, Australia. You know, the 1 year for Australia now with masters in learning. If you finish, you know, we are there in Sweden. So as I speak, I have master's degree in social sciences. I major in international migration and cultural studies. So anyway, if you finish on in I'm gonna relocate from Sweden and United Kingdom. If I need my idea, you know, to and I can win as a social worker, the Newcastle City Council. Newcastle City Council is a city near to Newcastle upon Tyne, located in the northeast of England. And after 3 years, and I win a council running, and I win as a social worker. Why will you really come? Why we were social worker? So you said, "Don't yes, winner." My care with bar, and not the winner, but the Birmingham City Council. No mass only, and I relocate from Newcastle City Council to Birmingham City Council. Birmingham City Council or Birmingham is located at West Midland, only matter West Midland, the middle of United Kingdom. So Rani Magia here for a very long time. And maybe when I council, like 3 years, Birmingham City Council, and that time is enough. You might only document the government. And now I want to go and start my own business. In Yakba, and now to establish a business of not a Living Glory Social Care. I am the director, executive director, and chairman of Living Glory Social Care Limited. We are a United Kingdom. That is my position for that. So, anyone, that's my work experience. I also have my political experience. I started politics in 1992-93, and I can contest in the NCPN, UNCP. I was the candidate of NCPN in Ward 7 during the time of NCPN, UNCP. A day to election, a UNCP now for Biribiri because you not take the Abacha party, and now for Biribiri, and now disqualify man, and now disqualify our chairmanship candidate. Daimovo was our chairmanship candidate at that time, and now disqualify. So they disqualified a lot of us. A day to election, ya disqualify man. Ya disqualify me. Anyone, it might be not there. Mama will come, mama will gui. Mama will take over la wa, ela wa kwa day. Or it was a few years, a year and a half. Abacha na wu. Abacha you na kule man. Emanoga aro na kule la wa. Ime ya go away man win again because yani ga aro 1.5 years. Ya be Abacha doyo. Anyone I was the secretary of the Unity Club. I drove a hotel, late in a Okoro Hotel. Atubasi is here, our general, who was also there at that time. So, 1 year, Emana do a meeting. That was the first place Nimena Honorable Henry Dagbo. Robert again, Mana do any meeting could be. Mana to a party now the road, a party here, some of us not like PDP. It's not like ANPP. So I my guy beg any. Maybe like PDP, a PDP now be a ticket, man. And that's why the candidate of PDP was 7 in a local government. Now they were electioning and now win. In the area council, I don't know why. In the council, I was appointed supervisory councillor of information, use, sports and culture at that time. Market to lie, it's not a legislative system. Parliamentary legislative system. So that is my political journey. In 2005, 2004, 2005, in after spending about 8-9 years in abroad, I turned to Ariowa, and that was by a party at APC, and that by APC. Benji Omoragbo, chairman at that time. Benji, yes, Omorege, chairman, while Honorable Henry Dagbo was a leader. At that time, he had received the party at that time. When we arrived APC briefly, I went into AGP and I contested House of Rep at that time. So I've been in politics. I even a governorship election. I was appointed by Pastor Sage Izeyamu to be the director of strategy for his campaign. I was the director of strategy for Pastor Sage Izeyamu campaign. Only my friend, and then I was a member of APC campaign council in those states. So about a election, I participated fully. And even from there, I was also here to ensure where a party mama day, and I was support to make sure where a party man or strong, despite the party way mama win, but a party man day, I was on ground to support the party through all the process. Our registration of new members and the validation of new members, I was in the party. I was on ground to support the party. My humanitarian work is still spread across Egor and Ikpoba-Okha. Where I say, Olua Primary School, opposite Olua Primary School. Where me borrow Lulu Yewina. Where I super borrow Lulu Yewina. Where I say Oromia, Ofe Ogida. Where me borrow Lulu Yewina. Where I require Ikpoba-Okha, Eweka Street. Where me borrow Lulu Yewina. Where I say St. Savior. Where me borrow Lulu Yewina. I don't know why. I did that as a private citizen, not as somebody now elect. I want to say this without any fear of contradiction. This is the time to ask questions. Although we carry public office, this is the time to ask him, what did you do when you were in public office? Even when you were not in public office, where you were in life, you must be able to demonstrate how you affected the lives of the poor people and the people of the community. This time you show evidence. This is the time you show evidence. I don't know why. I am showing you live evidence of what I have done with my money as a private citizen and as a councillor, as a public officer, and I have elect. I can showcase everything that I did in my world. I don't know why. I have come to serve you. I have not come to lord it over anybody, but to serve you and to demonstrate that I am capable and I am skillful and I am competent for this position in the Akamu. So I don't know why. I want to let you know this. It is very important. It is very important. Why National Assembly, capacity and that is what we are experiencing today, where we have a very incompetent very grossly incompetent House of Rep member who does not know what he is doing. He's just there. He has never motion. He has never done anything to attract the dividend of democracy to our local government and to our federal constituency. Meanwhile, a position of the National Assembly of Wakala, needed competent, even the right skills, even the mental and intellectual capacity. People that can nation, even the right mindset. These are the kind of people we should send. Because at the National Assembly, you will meet former governors, you will meet professors, you will meet PhD holders. And that is why we must look at the people's background. Otherwise, we will be underrepresented and shortchanged. And that is what has happened over the last 3 years. I can say without any fear that Egor and Ikpoba-Okha have been underrepresented over the last 4 years. Where school ma try literacy? Why even a year? Very, very dangerous. And it is also dangerous to send somebody that does not have the right content to the National Assembly. When you do for 4 years, Emmanuel not shortchange you are. For 4 years, you will be shortchanged. First of all, his visibility will not be seen. You won't even see him at all. Egor, local government and Ikpoba-Okha, these are sophisticated and metropolitan, cosmopolitan cities where you have lawyers qualified, where you have medical doctors, where you have PhD holders, where you have professors. We cannot send illiterates to such places. It will not work for us. Let's look at it. This is National Assembly. It's not an executive position. It is a position where you declare, where you speak your mind. It's a position where you are able to convince your fellow contemporaries on how to present bills. It's not a place you just go and send anyhow. Anyhow at all. Anyone, I am well equipped. Not that I am well, apart from the fact that I'm well traveled. I went to school here in Nigeria. I went to school abroad. I worked here for many years. I also worked in abroad. I have the right experience to represent you adequately. And anyway, if you give me this chance, and you know why welfareism is the heart, is in the heart of my representation. I will take care of the poor. I will take care of the women. I will take care of the men. I will take care of the youth. I have a program for the youth. No youth will not be given opportunity. In Egor and Ikpoba-Okha, I will award scholarship. I will award scholarship. I will award bursary every quarterly to our youth in Egor and Ikpoba-Okha. I will give money to our women who are in business. I will encourage them. I will give them opportunities. Area where I will attract projects to our various communities. I will not sleep. I will make sure that I am visible at the plenary. I will be heard. I will be heard. I will be there to listen to people. I will speak and stand for my people. I will represent them who are here proud. Where you will be proud. Of an Nigerian National Assembly. Okay, now from ground. So anyway, I'm not a violent person. I've never fought in my life. And I want to assure you, that this party will not go in crisis on account of my ambition. I will work with the party to make sure where there is peace. I will work with the party to make sure that there is prosperity and joy. And that is why I have been supporting the party ever since. And I will continue to do that. I will not, as an aspirant, intimidate anybody that is supporting another aspirant. I won't do that. Because it will amount to a political aberration. It is wrong and it is evil. And I want to assure you that for me and my people that are supporting me, we will respect the process. And we want the process to be fair. Because all of us have contributed to the growth of this party. We cannot ascribe the success we have made to one person. It will be wrong. All of us, including ward chairman, the ward secretary, everybody in this party have contributed to where we are today. And that is why all of us must be given a level playing ground. Everybody here is qualified to contest. If you have the means, you are free to contest. You must be respected, and your aspiration must be respected. That is the all I'm asking for. Once that is there, anyone can assure you that there will be peace, there will be tranquility, irrespective of the outcome or decisions of who is appointed or nominated to the chair. I, Honorable Pius Alile, I will stay in the party, work for the party to make sure that we work while we win the election. So, I don't know why. I want to postulate. I want to postulate. Yeah, fair. That I, Honorable Pius Alile, I am here to contest, to officially and formally announce that I am contesting the House of Rep, Egor, Ikpoba-Okha Federal Constituency. I will formally declare my intention. I want to announce that I will be running a progressive campaign. We want to run a campaign that is based on evidence. Evidence of what we stand for. Evidence of our philosophy in politics. And that is why today I want to announce that on the 21st of March, I will be awarding to 50 persons, including men and women, as well as youths, deserving youths. I want to award some cash. We are going to run a medical rally at #1 Medical Store Road, my campaign headquarters. I will invite you people, all of you, sir, to join me for that mega rally, where I will award 25 persons in a local government. These 25 persons will be selected by the party. It's going to be strictly party affair. I want to hand over 25 funds to our indefatigable chairman. The idea is to remove poverty. The idea is to lift people from the bottom ladder to a reasonable level. The idea is to support the poorest of the poor among us. We cannot allow our people to keep suffering. We must do our bit. I say it every day. There is no place in the whole world where government does everything. Or not possible. Citizens must step in to support each other. I want to use this to support the poor party members among us and empower them so that they can begin to feel what they will get when we are elected in 2023. We are not pretenders. Listen, we are serious contenders for that position. I can authoritatively tell you that support me. A vote will waste. Are you following me? I am declaring and affirming by the power of the Holy Spirit and by the power of God that we shall secure the ticket and we shall win the election. My chair, let me officially and formally hand over these forms to you. This form to you.
APC, Egor local government. Ototo were Okale, Emmanuel Oliase. Owen Oriaze, Honorable Pius, Alile. Other town in Malebo, where Eliase has House of Representatives. Honor the Eloji, honor the Anona, the town in Lumai. Usano do I economic people. For we have fair, no quality, also. Manego, we are my gualatos in my bone. No money, Marigona, no action like this. No one said, with my young that way, or Basaki, Macaramana, or with my voting bar. No, I said, with my Mevena, or Salupan Basseno. Pius Alile to our Mama, Manuel. Who see people go, who will go along with when one day you are Sano do Apuria Sayo. Yes, or by yourself. Do not really in that world. Or say, if I have a fair chapter, looking at you, executive already. Or Alipuru, many times. I look by my area now when one you want flowers. I say, oh, about talk by Hallelujah. Enjoy your fair. No, you are Pius, Alile, or Yana Giwa. Ah, down away, so, sir. When you did down away, you kill your boy. Salud wale rapu kwa Ichama ima Manuel Lulia se kama baba uka ndio yenge ndio kwa yao ndio no mwa bana utuna yili yo bo awe no ya su chama Egor Egor edu ya de adu ya ko bo feri tara yi salud ya se oba to pe hallelujah.
Let me look track records. You know, when you want to look for where somebody they go, you look in background. Now you will tell no. Even when you want to marry a husband, you look in background small. You don't look in background, if you go jump for inside gutter. Make people see what I don't do with my money when God give me. If you go Uselusha, then you'll see my boy home when I put for them. If you go Gbowo, you'll see the boy home when I take my money put for them. If you go Gida, you go see. If you go Ikpoba-Okha, you go Eweka, you go see. You will go St. Savior, you go see. These one are personal funds. The people when say that they go with me, or when one contact, may they show evidence of what they don't do. I don't give scholarship. I don't give bursary to students. I don't give market women money. Don't be alone, no. Or if you want what they call grants, give them, may they take a start trade. All this one are with my money. You understand? In the year 1999, I was a councillor of this very world. I don't tell them just now, your president I talk about. We have past councillor there. Anyone will be my record, may come challenge me. Since 2002, nobody don't be my record. I think I'm the boss too. I don't fear because I get evidence of what I don't do. Now, this is the time you must ask politicians to show evidence. This is not the time to say this one is my brother, this one is my papa, this one is my mama. No. Show evidence of what you don't do. If you say you be local government chairman, you were once local government chairman, you were once House of Assembly, you were once ask anything. What do you do for the people? Don't be to occupy position be the thing. Now to showcase what we do. You take that position. I will take and affect the lives of our people. That is what matters. Me, Honorable Pius Alile, I get evidence. My party know say I get evidence. They know say if I reach, I not go disappoint them. They also know say they go still need to try another person. You see, you know, go with the recycle the same people. They rotate, recycle the same people. Now they say they don't do anything. No, they never do anything when we say you need to recycle them. You understand? They never do anything, you know. So if you dey use the same ingredient take dey cook soup, now the same result you go get. Make you change the ingredient, you go see another result. So me dey talk say make they change, make they bring new person out like me, wey go take care of the youth, take care of the women, take care of our people, take care of community needs. Because I'm a community man. I was born and bred up in this place. I grew up here. I tell them just now. Now that Oluwa primary school now I attend. Now Adolo college, Edo boys high school now I go. I never go private school one day. I go University of Benin here before I go abroad, go school. You understand? So we know what our people need. I'm a street man. I was born here. You understand? I grew up here. Now I cannot fear. You understand what I mean? All the people when they know me. You can see the people when follow me come. You understand? Some politicians now nobody they near them because they don't shit for market. They're not there. Nobody they near them because they don't do bad too much. Nobody. Even when they give out money, the person will take money from them. No one even near them. Identify with them. Do you know why? Their name they smell. They are not even mention their name. You understand? You see, politics not trust. When you betray that trust, you don't finish you. When you go to talk, they'll say they don't come again. You don't come again. Now lie won't talk. You never even talk come out. They will say now lie won't talk. That development, you go reach your body, you go reach my body. Development not get PDP, not get APC. Good thing not get party. The water when I put for there now, person on the ask, are you a PDP or APC? No. Anybody want to go there now, go fetch water free. So that is the way it is. When there is development, it benefits everybody. And that is what I represent. And that is what I believe my party knows. And that is what I believe, say, I go beat whoever want challenge me. I'll beat them. I'll still invite you when they don't give me ticket. God bless you.